Hello guys! Have you ever wanted to create an executable image? No, not like that. I mean a real executable image? Well then let me introduce you to piet. First disclaimer, I'm not the greatest explainer, so I might forget something and my language barrier sucks. Sorry for the inconvenience. Piet is named after the Dutch painter Piet Mondrian because the image, or the code to be more specific, looks like a modern painting. Originally, David Morgan Marr, the creator of piet, wanted to name this isolang Mondrian but was taken at the time for a scripting language Mondrian script, which is now defunct, I guess. Oh, and this language is stack based, which means it has its own memory that you can increase and decrease the value, for example. More on that later. And it uses, as you know by now, colors. You might be wondering, what do the colors do and why is this code the exact same as this one? Well, there are two things you need to know about the commands. First are the colors. There are 20 different colors, to be specific 6 hues: red, yellow, green, cyan, blue and magenta. For each hue a lighter and a darker hue. Black and white. I don't know exactly why in this order because I didn't read any documentation. And second are the actual commands. Second disclaimer, I'm not going to go through all of the commands, just the necessary ones that I used for this prod. If you want to know more about the stuff, read the actual documentation at the isolang wiki. There are a lot of basic commands like adding numbers to a stack or subtracting them, but one type of command that I enjoy using the most are the output commands. These both output commands, out character and out number, output the current numbers or characters that are being showed inside the stack, like here the 70 and the F. Also, don't forget about the dupe command. It saves the stack into memory to reuse in later calculations. And with a combination with these commands, you can turn some bulky code like this to some compact code like this. Also, what I use is black that's being used as a wall to prevent the code from going further, for example. And white, which does nothing, is just there to make the code look much nicer, like the white space in a regular code. The code starts from the top left corner and it goes around clockwise. But Mick, how can I make my own geeky pixel art? Well, there are some different IDEs, but I use this IDE because it's very beginner friendly and it shows what command you have to follow with the color palette. And during the debugging process, it shows you what your code does. This array is where you draw the pixels, or as how Mr. Morgan Moore wants you to call them, codals. A codal or code pixel is pretty much a square of any size so that you don't have to create literal pixel arts. You can change the side of the canvas and you doodle around on the canvas and create awesome stuff like that Amiga logo that actually outputs Now I know you have been waiting for the actual prod since this was only the introduction to piet, and now it's time for my prod, which is on the second video. Just click the X in the top right corner and open the second video that's in the same folder as this one. See you in a bit.
What the hell? What do you mean? Why did you include trash in your prod? No, that goes in the yellow bin. Wait, no. I didn't mean to click on that. Stupid lag. Why was this here in the first place? Finally.
Hey, welcome back. Now it's time for the actual prod I made for this party. I present you this, a revision logo that outputs, wait for it, Revision 2K24. I hope you enjoyed my little prod.
Ja, geil, danke für nix. Alright, anyway, where are the next slides?